Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Tim. Here I am standing in the village of Santiago, north of County Road 466 and just north of El Camino Real. In the northern part of the villages, we do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa, block and stucco, listed for sale for $300,000. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. You can see this home does have a 1.5 car garage. You can see it has a painted driveway. The concrete work looks in good condition. It does have maintenance-free stone exterior as well. I will pan the street. That is facing south. That is facing north. And the back of the home does face southeast. This home would be perfect for those who want low maintenance, maybe snowbirds. You can see the front entry area. You have the painted sidewalk continuing. It is a block and stucco home. That roof was put on in 2018, and that is the look of the roof. As always, friends, if you have any questions, please contact Brian Williams, your listing agent at LPT Realty. Let's go inside and take a look at this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa, block and stucco. This is the entry area. You do see it does have a storm door in the front. It has a painted concrete entry area. Let's take a look, friends. Hello, Brian. Can you tell us a little more about the home?
Hey everyone, my name is Brian Williams with LPT Realty. Welcome to this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath courtyard villa. It's completely turnkey, so it's an easy way for you to get started here in the villages. The asking price is $300,000 and it's completely updated.
Thank you, Brian. I'll take our subscribers on a tour of the home. First thing I notice here in the foyer area are the beautiful crown moldings throughout the living and dining space. It does have carpeted floors. This is a turnkey home. List price $300,000. This is in the Villa San Leandro neighborhood, very near Sumter Landing, Spanish Springs, Glenview Country Club. Let's take a video of the spec sheet. 1137 Santa Cruz Drive in the Villages. List price $300,000. Air conditioning was updated in 2019. The roof 2018. It is a turnkey home. And I will turn the spec sheet over so you can see the back of the spec sheet. That is the back of the spec sheet. Block and stucco home. Off to the right, you do have the kitchen space. It does have granite countertops, ceramic tile floors, 2-bowl stainless sink. It has white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. It does have an electric stove, acoustic textured ceilings as well. Let's take a look in this 1.5 car garage. It does have a sink in that garage. It has painted floors. The concrete work appears to be in really good condition. It does have the laundry in the garage space as well. HVAC system. 2019 was the aircon unit, the air handler. Check with your listing agent on when the air handler was replaced, but the AC unit is 2019 and the roof 2018. That is your laundry space. You do have room to put a golf car on that side of the garage, and this side you pull your car in. You can fit a mid to large SUV in that garage space. You do enter into that kitchen area. I do like when you enter from the garage into the kitchen, you do have stainless appliances. Off into the dining space. In typical courtyard villa, you have a side patio with painted concrete, large patio as well. Carpeting in this living space as well. You do have very wide crown molding in this home and acoustic textured ceilings. Let's take a walk into what I would consider a Florida room right here. This is nice. It has an air conditioning duct. This is included in the square footage. 1,214 square feet of heated area. Let's take a walk out into that backyard area. You can see the painted concrete. This area is facing east. This is the side patio. Very large, lots of concrete on this home. Block and stucco. Appears to be in very good condition. I do not see cracks in the wall. And there is the air conditioning unit that was replaced in 2019. It is a Train aircon unit. You do have privacy walls. Typical courtyard villa. Lots of villagers like to purchase these homes. This is a low maintenance home. Very good for an investor, or even if you want to live here year round. It does have a shade as well. Let's continue the journey back into the Florida room. Looks like they converted this lanai into the Florida room. This is nice. Nice and bright. You do have shades on the windows. Let's go into the primary bedroom area. It does have carpeting on the floor. That is a king-size bed, friends, for perspective. Acoustic texture ceilings. I will walk back into the corner. You do have a walk-in closet right there. You do have a primary bathroom. Has ceramic tile floors. You have granite countertop, one sink. You do have a fan. You have a shower module. That is what I think is a 32-inch, either plastic or fiberglass shower module. It has orange peel texture on the wall and acoustic texture on the ceiling. Here's the walk-in closet with carpeting, wire rack shelves, very nice. I do like this layout of this home. You do have a guest bedroom and a guest bathroom off in this area. Ceramic tile floors. You have frameless glass doors on that tub. And there is your vanity and sink. It does have granite. Let's take a look at the inside. That tub is plastic or fiberglass. Very nice home. Very good condition. $300,000, no bond. And this is located in between Lake Sumter Landing and Spanish Springs. I believe that is a queen-size bed to give you perspective. This is the guest bedroom in the front of the home. You do have sliding doors on the closet. This is a turnkey home. You do have carpeting in that closet, wire rack shelf. As we exit this room, you do have a sliding pocket door that separates this guest bedroom and bathroom from the living area. That is awfully nice. So I'm going to give you one last panoramic view. The crown molding very wide. It looks like 6 or 8 inch crown molding on this home. Beautiful home for $300,000, no bond, turnkey. What are you waiting for? As always, friends, contact Brian Williams at LPT Realty. This is the snapshot of the villages. Let's take a walk out to the street. I'll give you one last view of this home. Very clean home. Painted sidewalks. Maintenance-free landscaping. As always, contact Brian Williams with LPT Realty. If you have any questions about this home. Very nice day in the villages too. I'll turn the camera around. There you have it, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Courtyard villa, block and stucco, $300,000. Roof, 2018. A new AC unit in 2019. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Feel free to share these videos with anyone who feels interested in the content. Have a great day. Take care. Stay safe. What are you waiting for? You have a pre-owned 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa waiting for you in the village of Santiago.